Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the wireless display feature on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for display, search for optional. Best results should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. Select add a feature at the top, and then you want to search for display. Best results should come back with wireless display. Go ahead and select that and then select add. Give that a moment to install here. And then once that's done, you may need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.